So my first video, I am going to make cornbread in a skillet, and I'll let you see how it's made. So today's recipe is really simple. Like I'm sure most of you have made this cornbread, but I kind of just spruce it up with my own taste. I add oat milk, and I'm gonna just top it off with a little bit of honey and brown sugar, and you'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in my wet ingredients first. Whisk it up. All right, now to pour it in. So this skillet's actually kind of small, so I don't think I'll put all the batter in it. I'll just have to take out some after. Tap it. Then sprinkle some brown sugar. Drizzle some honey. And then bake in the oven at 350. So I'm gonna taste the cornbread I made. I say the best pairings with cornbread I feel are chili. If not, just like a toasted piece with butter is always delicious. Something that I like to do, like if I have like leftover, like if I make a big pan of it, sometimes I'll cube it and make croutons of that and add it to like a salad, and I think it's delicious. I did it once and I was like, I'm sure I did it in that, like I'm sure I saw that somewhere, but I had never done it when I did it, and I was like, life changed. So yeah, let's taste it. I mean, wow. I've actually never eaten on camera. It's gonna be interesting, but let's see. I mean, this looks so cute. Still warm, which is so yummy when it's warm, but let's see. My own hype person. Now I want to toast it. Now I want chili. I don't have any of those things, but this is really yummy. It's so easy to make. I just again like added my own twist. I do it with oat milk, just a little brown sugar and honey on top, and it's amazing. So yeah, cheers.